So this is how to fix Aviator game online app not working or not opening problem. So if your Aviator game is not working or not opening, this is how to fix it. Could just go to your phone settings, the scroll, and tap on your phone settings. After that, what you have to do next is to tap on apps and notification, or apps and preference. They are all the same. Or tap on app and management. After that, what you have to do is to tap on app list or see your apps. So it depends on the device you are using. They are all the same. After tapping on it, you have to wait for the apps to list um, in alphabetical form, bro. So after listing it, what you have to do is to search for Aviator game. So you just search for Aviator game. But in this video, I'm going to use a demo app to replace the Aviator game. It really works the same. So you just search for the Aviator game. When you find it, then you tap on it. So after that, what you have to do is to make sure the notifications is really turned on. After that, go to mobile data and Wi-Fi, or mobile data and registration. Make sure the background data is turned on. Then you go back to, and you tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, make sure the permissions are also allowed. So when it's allowed, what I have to do next is to go to storage and cache. You clear the cache, then you clear the storage as well. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to Play Store and try to update the Aviator game app. After updating it, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for long, then you tap on restart or reboot, then you tap on OK, and it's going to restart and everything is going to work perfectly for you. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. See you in my next video. Bye. Peace.